That door's open. Damn, people destroyed all this stuff. That looks crazy. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be exploring this abandoned Walmart. This place has been abandoned for about a year now. And I just wanted to say guys, thank you guys so much for all the recent support on my videos. I couldn't thank you guys enough. I know you guys like these urban videos a lot, so I'm going to keep making these videos for you guys. I love watching people explore abandoned places, so I think this video is going to be super dope. I obviously don't think we're going to be able to go inside because the police would probably be here within a minute, especially right off this busy street. But we'll be able to go around it and explore it and see the condition that it was left in. But alright, without further ado, I'm going to hop on the bike. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna look through this glass here and see if I can see anything. Oh, they blocked it off. Okay. So you can't even really look in there. Let's go to the back, see if there's anything back here. This is where they used to do, I'm pretty sure, all their online pickups and stuff like that. Looks like that's blocked off too, though. This is obviously where they would load all the trucks and everything. Looks like someone messed up and completely destroyed the wall. Looks like it happened a few times before. I gotta be careful, make sure there's like no glass or anything in here. It's crazy, Walmarts are closing all around the Chicagoland area, and they've been putting out like messages saying that it's because of people stealing, but I just don't think that's true. Well, at least not with this specific Walmart, because this one's in a good area, so I don't know, I don't see it really being because of people stealing. Skirt! This is where they used to have the car shop and everything like that. You can get your car service. Oh, look at this. That door's open. Damn, why do they have this stupid thing here? I can't fit the bike through. Alright, let's at least walk in there though and see what's in there. Turn the bike off for a second. Let's go check this out. Damn, people destroyed all this stuff. That looks crazy. It looks massive with nothing in here. I don't even know who you could sell this to because this place is so big. Like, it has to be like some sort of warehouse or something like that. Bunch of scrap metal and stuff. Surprised homeless people haven't came in here and scrapped all this metal. Alright, car just pulled up here. I'm gonna get out of here. Not too sure who that is. What I assumed happened though is they probably just didn't want to keep paying for the property tax at this specific location, just because around here it's just crazy expensive. So they're probably like just breaking even, so they're like, screw it. Sneak up here. All this stuff's so dead over here. Never been over here before. Let's hit this little ditch. These are always fun to hit. Let's hit these. Guys, recently I've been so addicted to MX bikes. I've been grinding that on the PC. If you guys play that game, what do you guys play on? Do you guys play on controller or do you play on the Oculus? The Oculus looks like so much fun. It actually looks super realistic. I'm riding the bike in mode 4 today, which I got set to 50 horsepower. This thing hauls ass. How are you doing?
How are you, brother?
Good to see you again, dude. Did you end up looking at those bikes?
A little bit. What was the brand? Was it Solar?
Suron.
Suron. I couldn't remember what the hell it was.
No, what's funny is I make YouTube videos too, and like the people on my videos were Oh, it's called Dylan Does and then 490. But it was funny. They were making fun of me. They're like, you're telling them a sir on because you were saying like affordable bikes, and they're still like 5K or 6K or whatever. So they were making fun of me. Yep.
Have fun.
Will do.
I'm super jealous, by the way.
Yeah, you got to get one and we could rip around.
Dude, I have to, man. They're so cool.
They are. They're a lot of fun, dude. It's worth it. It's funny that I saw that guy again. He was in that last video when I got caught by the police. Hope there's not a train. Last video there's a train. Yesterday I called the dealership that I got the bike from and had them get me a new rubber pad for the docking station, just so this shit doesn't look so ghetto. This school has so many hills and stuff. God damn. Alright guys, I just got back to the house after that fall. The bars are all messed up as always when I drop this thing. And the audio on the way home was all messed up too, so I wanted to make the outro real quick. But I just wanted to say guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video as always. And until next time, peace out.